Hey guys, it's Angel here. So today we have a different video, as you can see, different angle, different no face. Today I'll be showing you guys how I create my dip nail system nails at home. So here they are. So I'll be showing you guys how I do them. I'll give you a walkthrough and yeah, so let's get into it. And if you like this type of video idea, then please let me know and I'll make more of them in the future. So the first thing I like to do is I like to start by pushing back my cuticles and beginning by buffing out my nails, fitting the nails, and really prepping them and making sure they fit my nail. For the actual nail color portion, after I've put the fake nails on and I've shaped them and all that, I put a coat of resin on and then I go in with the powder and I dip my nails in to get the actual color. Then afterwards, as you can see, I'm just filing my nails with my e-file. And then afterwards, I will go in and shape everything with the nail file and get rid of all the bumps and the uneven edges and make sure I really like the nail and that is at my taste. After I've shaped the nail and I like it, I took a little makeup brush, very precise one, and I dipped it in some acetone. So I'm just cleaning up around the cuticle area so that everything is really nice and clean. So after that, I can go in and buff and everything will be nice and clean and smooth. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing here basically is I'm just cleaning out my cuticles. After cleaning my cuticles, I like to go in with some 99% alcohol to really clean out whatever excess powder is on my nails. And now, as you can see, I'm buffing my nails to really make sure there's no more bumps. Everything is really nice and clean. And then after that, I like to go in with a quick dry top coat to really seal everything in. And I like doing 2 coats because I find the first coat kind of gets absorbed by the resin. So the second coat is really makes it the final glossy top coat that everyone wants. That is how you create my turquoise dip nail system for nails at home. Shiny and nice and didn't cost anything, so there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! If you guys are interested, I will be listing all the products that I used today in the description box below.